So that principle Prabhupada is given, how we can reach the final stage of devotion. And once a person makes some advancement, he shouldn't step back. If a person makes the progress to one point, and then he becomes content, again he takes back steps. That is very unfortunate. Whatever progress we make, we have to maintain. Even if we don't go leaps and bounds ahead, whatever progress we make, we have to protect. And go on, slow but sure. We're not interested in immediate. We're interested in sure. Even if it's slow but sure, we want sure progress. So, by Lord Chaitanya's mercy, even our slow but sure step forward means very rapid. Because of His mercy, as we're walking, but Krishna is walking to us so much faster. So our slow step forward is a huge mile forward from Krishna's side. He's practically running while we're walking. But we have to keep stepping. If we stop walking to Krishna, if we stop proceeding to Krishna, if we lose our link with the absolute goal and start to again be absorbed in our material mind and body conceptualization, thinking that this is the all in all, then we're finished. Because then Krishna is waiting. All right, so let him finish that, then I'll come. That is where the devotee is more merciful. He grabs the disciple by the ear and drags him. No, what are you waiting here for? You go to Krishna. You see, Krishna won't come unless the devotee is going to him. But the spiritual master is so kind. The devotee is standing there spaced out, standing there with his head in the clouds in Maya, and the spiritual master pushes him. You go to Krishna. Don't waste time here. That is why the devotee is considered to be more merciful than Krishna.